Excuse me.
15,999 plus tax and the shoes to top it off.
What will you ask to me?
Yes,
How
girl.
we buy all of them excitement here?
Well, I went to Bargain Mall, Load Fashion.
Backside, my friend. Yeah, one.
You might have to take me to the movies.
So what kind of movie you go watch?
I didn't go.
Why?
Brenda, I just met him and the suit was quite good enough.
Janice, a long time you know nothing. I'm sure no say you look something supposed to jump.
Brenda!
Talk the truth, man.
Well, sometimes, but...
Then that's why you feel loosen up. Him look good.
Yes. And he dressed nice as well. And he smells so good.
I can smell him too. So what kind of car him drive?
Girl, car. He drives a 2022 Tundra.
A lie! I ain't a cock up in that Tanga movie. You see if I did ever me. Nah make him get wet. If not it's single. That's what I say. So give me a look more details now.
Well, his name is Rory Anderson and his friend call him Dollars.
Man.
And he's 42 years old and he's a record producer. He's currently building his studio in Cherry Gardens. And guess what? He has no children and no girlfriend.
And you want to tell me say God never make the money and put on for you? John, seriously, if you could have put up with Paul and him shit for 3 years, you must can give this a try.
Brenda, it's not the whole 3 years Paul did bad for. At one point, Paul used to do anything for me.
That's when him that look pum pum.
And you know, he never used to pressure me for sex at all. He used to talk to me about how he feel about me. I would talk about our life. It's just the last year of the relationship when he came to live with me. Him just changed completely.
Talking this and talking that. Lincoln tell me same scene the other day.
For real? And you never tell me?
What me I tell you that for? What good that I go do for you? Love can yam? Besides taxi man daily make any money.
Brenda, you know which taxi company I work with?
Janice, Mama ask you something. You don't really take back Paul after all of the mess when put you through?
I never said I was going to take back Paul. But after dating him for 3 years, it's only natural I'm going to miss him sometimes.
You're lucky. Me nah miss no man me put them hand palm me. Me no want nothing to remind me of him.
I don't have anything to remind me of Paul in this place.
True? So the picture of your dresser and a reminder that me now go tell you how to live your life in a friend because you're your own big man. But you see me not like no man me put them hand palm woman. Paul get 3 years of their life and him waste it. And move up time now and move back. So you must know.
Brenda, later. Hello. Hi, Dollars. It's Janice. I would love to. No, really? Tonight? No. I'm not busy. Rory, are you sure that's not too much? Okay. I'll see you in a bit. Bye.
Bill and receipt.
Please to come out of my life.
Now, Johnny, man, give me a look at suspense that kill me. So you know, the man come and get assist in the video.
In due time, brother. Don't want to move too fast enough.
But them girl out the road now go wait till you make up your mind.
But Brenda, remember that me and Paul...
Me don't want to hear. You are young only once. After all of the years I saw where you got through, John, you should have been upstairs, downstairs, underneath the toilet, back shot, foot past shoulder, and all of them nastiness there.
Actually, you know, Brenda, long time I know work up a good sweat. After I start putting man on me, sex was never the same.
That's why me not like no man who put them hands on woman. I bet a man tell me say I'm gonna beat me with sex. I would have get trouble every day and said, beat me. Beat me.
Jesus. Only can manage you.
He can't manage me, but me I train him.
What you say to me?
No, me I tell you. Hey, when we just meet Lincoln, him young bad. Not even the condom the wine of put on good.
Brenda lying?
I swear to heavens. Hey, Lincoln is just all about accounts and studying, you know. It's because of him alone, his mother have, you know, she come like a little girl. So when him come and roll and you talk to him all him depend is just, you know, him accounts and all of that. Nothing else.
So you broke him out?
Mr. John, after me invite this boy my yard one night to get to put gas in my tank. But beer and sweet up and put on my nice sunflower perfume and my G-string under my mini dress. Me say me cock up, me cock down. Me open up, me open down. All this boy I talk about is accounts and adding. I just push him down and sit down on it. Johnny should have sit down me and go down panic and the boy just start talking all different kind of language. And he chat some language that even me can't spell. And then John, I just spin around.
Brenda, what exactly are you doing?